Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews on the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a product that's a staple in many kitchens worldwide. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds because we're talking about none other than the best yellow bean sauce available in the market.
That's right, folks. We're talking about the LKK Kum Kee yellow soybean sauce.
This aromatic savory sauce is a game-changer when it comes to adding depth and flavor to your dishes. Made from high-quality soybeans and wheat flour, this sauce is naturally brewed using traditional methods, ensuring a rich soy flavor and aroma that will elevate any meal.
Now, let's dive into what makes this yellow soybean sauce a must-have in your kitchen arsenal.
First up, versatility. Whether you're stir-frying, stewing, dipping, or marinating, this sauce has got you covered.
Its complex flavors add a depth that will leave your taste buds begging for more.
From traditional Asian dishes to fusion cuisine, the possibilities are endless with LKK Kum Kee yellow soybean sauce.
Next, let's talk about ingredients.
Crafted from only the finest soybeans, wheat flour, and a blend of savory seasonings, this sauce is a testament to quality craftsmanship. Each jar is packed with goodness, ensuring that every dish you create is bursting with flavor.
And of course, authenticity. LKK Kum Kee has been a trusted name in Asian condiments for generations, and their yellow soybean sauce stays true to their heritage.
Made using time-honored techniques, this sauce delivers an authentic taste that will transport you to the bustling streets of Asia with every bite.
Now that we've covered the key features, let's talk about how you can incorporate this delicious sauce into your culinary creations.
Whether you're whipping up a classic stir-fry, marinating your favorite proteins, or simply using it as a dipping sauce, the possibilities are endless. Its savory flavor pairs perfectly with meats, vegetables, noodles, and more, making it a pantry essential for any home cook.
And there you have it, folks.
The LKK Kum Kee yellow soybean sauce is truly the best yellow bean sauce available in the market today. With its versatility, high-quality ingredients, and authentic flavor, it's a game-changer for any dish.
That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video,
don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews on the latest products.
Until next time, happy cooking!